Hello, my name is Krishna
I'm
Govindan.
Dr. Casillas.
I am Duncan Lee from somewhere.
So I'm doing a research project and I need to gather data from an extraterrestrial planet. Can you help me?
Yes, perfect. We actually built 2 interplanetary rovers. We just have to send these rovers to another planet, and then they will collect data on things such as pH, metal, hydrocarbon, moisture, and light, and temperature, of course.
So, how do you drive the rovers?
So we have an autonomous and a manual rover. The autonomous rover works with 2 ultrasonic sensors and 2 motors, and each represents the opposite one. And so, if it is greater than 30 centimeters, then it will go full speed forward. If it is less than 30 but greater than 10, it will turn away from the object, which turns the opposite motor. And if it is less than 8 or 8, it will go backwards and turn around so that it will avoid any objects that may occur randomly. And so we also have a manual over here, and each is powered by the remote, and each lever here represents a motor, and the further forward you push it, the faster it goes. We also have a pH moisture detector that goes up and down here with the press of a button, and a automatic with a brake button here to prevent any collision. There's also an active brake safety here, so if you detect anything, it will overrun any commands the remote may give it.
So what sensors do you have, and how do you collect the data values and represent them?
So as I said earlier, our sensors include a pH detector, a moisture detector, a light detector, a thermometer, a metal detector, and a hydrocarbon detector. So, all these sensors are connected to the Adreno. The Adreno, which is connected to the USB extender. And then the USB extender, along with the camera, are all connected to our mission control. This laptop shows our mission control, and it will show the sensors, and then our camera screens are over there. And then the camera will just, so you can see what the environment looks like. And then the sensors will show just the readings, that way you can conduct accurate experiments. Most of the sensors don't actually have scientific readings that go along with them. So for the ones that do, such as the thermometer, that we had to make a transfer function. That way this shows up in Celsius, as it does over there. So what we had to do was we had to take the counts that come out of the thermometer that show up on that screen and actual Celsius readings from another temperature detector. Then you had to take a hot environment, a cold environment, and a medium environment to get the necessary data to create a 2-variable equation and then two equations along with that. Then, once you calculate that, you get a function that takes 2 things and puts them into one. That way, you can create the most accurate data as possible. And then it shows up on that screen as actual Celsius readings.
Can you give me a sensor demonstration?
Sure.
So pH here works right there. It shows the pH, the level of pH on the pH
And the moisture
scale.
shot up.
Moisture too. And
then the light detector over here, it shoots up on the sensor readings. Brightness it just jumped to 15. And then for the metal detector, right there, and then
the hydrocarbon is detected with alcohol. And that concludes the presentation.